Did you know that cowboys moved more freight than America's transcontinental railroad in the 1870s? Over 600,000 cattle thundered across Wyoming territory annually, each one representing 1,200 pounds of walking freight. These weren't just animals, they were living cargo that could stampede, die, or get stolen at any moment. Cowboys became freight logistics masters, armed with only horses and rope. They moved $50 million worth of livestock yearly across 1,000-mile routes. The most shocking part, these cattle drives carved out America's first transcontinental freight corridors. The railroads simply followed the trails that cowboys had already mapped. Cowboys were America's original freight engineers.